In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Odoo and effectively access and use the calendar module. We'll go through the entire process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently navigate this essential tool. Let's start by heading over to your Odoo instance. This is the specific URL associated with your company, typically structured as your company odoo.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in using your Odoo credentials. Be sure to enter your username and password accurately so you can securely access the platform. If you're having trouble recalling your credentials, it's a good idea to check with your administrator or utilize the password recovery options available on the login page. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Odoo dashboard. From here, your next step is to access the calendar module. Look on your dashboard for the calendar icon. However, it's not uncommon to find it missing, especially if it's not yet installed. If that's the case, you'll want to go to the Apps section. Simply click on Apps, then find and select Calendar. If you see that the calendar application hasn't been installed yet, you will need to click on Install. This installation process is straightforward and usually takes just a few seconds. Once installed, the calendar should appear on your dashboard, ready to be used. Moving forward, let's explore the different views available in the Odoo Calendar, which can significantly enhance how you track your tasks and meetings. Odoo provides multiple views tailored to suit various scheduling needs. The Day view offers a detailed schedule for a single day, which is excellent for focusing on today's tasks. If you're planning for the week ahead, the Week view provides a comprehensive layout of all your tasks and meetings over a 7-day span. For a broader perspective, the Month view gives you an overview of your entire month, which can help with long-term planning. Finally, the Agenda view presents your upcoming events in a list format, which is ideal for quickly scanning what's ahead. To switch between these views, use the buttons located at the top right corner of the calendar module. This flexibility allows you to choose the most suitable view for your specific needs. Now, it's time to learn how to create a new event, although we won't delve into the specific steps for this action today. Creating new events is a fundamental aspect of managing your schedule in Odoo, and with the skills learned here today, you're now set to explore further features at your own pace. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to access and navigate the calendar in Odoo, but also gained insights into optimizing your scheduling efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!